I have ditched the shower cap. It's almost like giving your scalp therapy, okay? Hi guys, my name is Summer. I do loc and lifestyle content. If you're interested in those type of videos, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so today I'm going to be giving you guys the tea on some of my favorite loc products. I want to almost say they're game changers. They're not necessities, but they're definitely nice to have around. So stay tuned. My first one are rubber band cutters. Now, I know a lot of us are into doing our braid outs and twist outs and just need something to hold the ends of our hair.
But prying those rubber bands out can be such a task.
So this right here makes the process a lot less burdensome. I have some previous videos where I show exactly how I use these, but trust me, especially when you're in a rush, these come in so clutch. The next thing I have is some shower bands. They have a Velcro end and they come together on your head. And I simply pull my hair up and snap this just around my edges like so and jump into the shower and get some good steaming. I've really seen a difference with just the moisture factor in my hair. I honestly have completely ditched the shower cap, okay? I'm all about getting some deep moisture into my strands. I've really seen a difference with just the moisture factor in my hair. This is worth the investment. Speaking of tying my hair up, I've let go of these goody outlers bands as well. I am completely sold on, man, I wish I had the name already, but you guys, I'm sure you've seen them around. They're everywhere now. These are such great low tension pony holders and they really do the job, especially for locks. I never feel like I have headaches. They stretch and adjust according to whatever size your ponytail is, and because of their soft, almost silicone-like material, they work so well in preventing breakage or any tightness that pony holders usually cause. So go check these out. I have them in so many colors. They're so fun. They're so unique. It kind of brings back some of those 90s vibes, but it's all good. It does the job. Now, if some of you have looked at my previous videos, you've seen that I went to a salon in New York and I had the stylist wash my hair and she introduced me to a whole new world by using this amazing shampoo brush. Now, I couldn't find the exact one that she uses, but I happened to find this one at my local beauty supply store. And I'm telling you, it is so good to wash your hair and truly feel like your scalp is getting the stimulation, it's almost like giving your scalp therapy, okay? I love these silicone bristles that sweep across your scalp and just provide such a deep cleaning without breaking or harming your strands. I have been using this ever since I came back, and yeah, my nails or my fingertips cannot do what this brush does. So definitely check this out. Lastly, for those wash days, we are escaping the t-shirts, okay? We are not using t-shirts on our hair. We are locking in style with some microfiber towels. Guys, these help to dry the hair so much faster and they do not snag or cause excess drying to the hair or leave any lint, and that's what we really want. We just don't want the lint. I have one that's a thin microfiber material and then one that's like a regular microfiber material, but they all do the job in truly getting the hair dry. I kind of wash my hair and then I'll leave it on for maybe half an hour to 45 minutes, and the amount of water it absorbs is mind-blowing. From that point on, I can kind of let my hair air dry the rest of the day and know that before I go to bed at night, my hair will be completely dry. So check these out. Okay, so I do have a bonus one, so indulge me just a little bit longer. But this is an edge tie it works so well because I simply tie it around my edges. This head wrap is not going to let me do that, but I just tie it around my edges. If I could kind of demonstrate for you guys. And then I proceed with my normal headscarf. I just feel like it provides additional protection for my very, very fragile and sensitive edges. This just ensures that my edges are not in contact with any heavy friction on my pillows or sheets or anything like that, and just kind of lays them down smoothly. And this is a really soft satin material, and it has really been a part of my nightly routine. That's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know down below some of your, not necessarily lock necessities, but just the things that you really have enjoyed having on your journey thus far. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.